some breaking news as well coming in at this point in time. We have accessed a letter that was written by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to the secretary of this high-level committee that was formed on One Nation, One Election. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Meenakshi, who's joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Meenakshi, I'm just looking at the date in this letter. It was written on 11th of January 2024, and perhaps, you know, that was the time when comments were being sought. What is it that this letter mentions? And because this is the view of Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister.
Yes, so this is obviously the view of Mamata Banerjee. Let's take our viewers through the letter, and that's something very interesting you've pointed out, and that's something we'd like to highlight once again for our viewers so that there is no confusion. The letter is dated January 11, 2024. The operative part is the last bit, which is what we would like to highlight, where Mamata Banerjee has, questioned ONOP, and very significantly she had said, and she says, and I quote, that this is a plan according to her to subvert the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. Also, she goes on to say that this is keeping in view of diversity and plurality, that she is opposing it. Quote unquote, she goes on to say, but now your design seems to be to tilt the system in favor of presidentialization. So a president type rule is something which she fears. Back to you, Hina.
Right. A very important point there that you've highlighted from this letter that was written by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Thank you, Meenakshi, for the moment for joining us with all of those details. Congress leader Supriya Shrinate has also issued a statement. She says one nation, one election is a way to divert the attention from real issues. Let's listen in.
कैसे देखते हैं इस मूव को सरकार को?
ऐसा है कि यूनियन कैबिनेट ऐसे बहुत से प्रपोजल्स पास करती है जिस पर उनको यू टर्न लेना पड़ता है. वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन कुछ नहीं, एक शगुफा है असल मुद्दों से भटकाने का. आप बेरोजगारी की बात मत करिए, आप जो उनकी नफरत और हिंसा की बातें हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष के खिलाफ कह रहे हैं उन पर बातें मत करिए. इसलिए वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन का ढोल बजाया जा रहा है. आप कैसे करिएगा वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन? क्या आप राज्य सरकारों को गिरा दीजिएगा? क्या आप असेंबलीज भंग कर दीजिएगा? किस तरह से कीजिएगा आप वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन? ये सारे शगुफे हैं आपका ध्यान भटकाने के लिए. आपका ध्यान भटक सकता है, हमारा नहीं भटकेगा.
प्रैक्टिकली नहीं है
भाई. मैं ये जानना चाहती हूं कि क्या आप अपने घटक दलों की सरकारें गिराएंगे? क्या आप जदयू की सरकार और टीडीपी की सरकार गिरा देंगे और वो मूक दर्शक बन के बैठ के देखते रहेंगे? क्या आप भाजपा के मुख्यमंत्रियों को राजी कर लेंगे सरकार गिराने के लिए? ये सारी चीजें जो सरकारें, ये जो सारी चीजें जो मोदी सरकार करती है, ये ध्यान बटाने का, सिर्फ ध्यान मुद्दों से भंग करने का तरीका मात्र है.
Right, so that was the reaction coming in from Congress leader Supriya Shrinate. Let me go back to my colleague Pragya, who continues to be with us on this big story that we are tracking for you here on Times Now. Pragya, now, you know, clearly, it's not going to be an easy ride for the BJP, for the NDA as well. It is indeed going to be quite a bumpy ride, for them to make this a reality, this one nation, one poll. Of course, it was a promise. What has happened today, the cabinet nod has taken it one step closer to becoming a big reform, but yet it's far away from becoming a reality. Tell us about the hurdles that NDA might have to face.
Well, the government is aware of the hurdles, and in fact they are very aware of the fact that if there is a simultaneous polls, Lok Sabha and Assembly elections, many of the government has to come on board saying that we will prepone or postpone our elections because we want to do it along with the general elections. So they know that this problem exists and they would have to bring their allies on board, and that is why today INB Minister Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav emphasized that this is a unanimous decision taken by the cabinet in which JDU, TDP are also part of it. So as far as allies are concerned, they must have spoken to them. There is a reach out program that has happened even before there was discussion happening. Mr. Amit Shah was also part of this high level committee, which was headed by former President Mr. Kovind, and they are going to face hurdles because there are many opposition states now who may not come on board, but for assembly elections they do not need ratification by the states. However, having said that, government do not want any kind of altercation. They are not looking at an altercation with states, and that is why the minister said that we need state and center to have cordial relation on this, and they also want to reach out to the states, explain the benefits of it, and also explain how center can help the state in ensuring that there is one nation, one poll. In in principle, everyone agreeing, at least allies
Right.
agreeing to the fact that there should be one nation, one poll, and that is the success of government. However, it will take time, and that is the reason why government said we will go into discussion mode.
Right.
We will seek suggestions from everyone else. Implementation group is going to be the the main theme and
Yes.
the main body which will ensure that this will be implemented.
All right.
How it will be implemented, long level of discussions will take place, and every party has to
So
take
discussions, clearly more discussions are expected before this actually becomes a reality. Pragya, appreciate you joining us and putting things in perspective for our viewers as far as this big move by the cabinet today is concerned. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break, but there's lots coming up for you on the other side. Don't go anywhere.